Clear? After that, non-metals. Non-metals के बारे में बात करें तो non-metals में क्या होगा? They are low melting point. Okay. Metals are generally hard.
Except sodium and potassium.
What is clear to you?
No, ma'am, it's clear.
What is clear now? Completely
Yes,
clear?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then you can record, beta.
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing it.
You are recording?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So metals are hard except sodium and potassium. Sodium and potassium are as soft that we can cut them with a knife. So question will ask from here that name the metals that can be cut with knife. Okay. So options will be there. So sodium and potassium are the two metals that can be cut with the help of knife. Okay. Non-metals, they are generally soft. Except soft. Except diamond. And this question that name the hardest substance in nature. Diamond is hardest in nature. Is it clear?
Yes.
Diamond is hardest in nature, means out of metals and non-metals, out of all, diamond is hardest. Okay, and it is used to cut the glass. Diamond is used to cut the glass. Clear? Next thing is metals are high. Okay, but in case of non-metals, their density is not high. They have less density, less density.
Ma'am, we have to write this again in the chemistry notebook, ma'am, because
No, I am just revising. No need to write again.
Ma'am, can you give some example for non-metal?
Yes, I will give, beta. Just wait. I will give. After that, next thing is metals are found generally in solid state. Okay. Except mercury. The symbol of mercury is Hg. Clear? So all metal symbol of mercury is Hg. Clear? So all metals are solid, like you can see aluminium, you can see iron, you can see silver, you can see gold, copper, zinc. All that are solid in solid state except mercury. Mercury is a metal which is found in liquid state. This is the important question here. Okay. So name a metal that is found in liquid state. So what is that metal? That is mercury. Is it clear? If any student have doubt, ask me the same time. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Don't sit quiet, beta. Because we will not do again chapter. I will start the next chapter after revision. So all metals are solid except mercury. In case of non-metals, they are found in solid, liquid, and
Gas.
gaseous state. Okay. Now from here, the question may ask like that: name a non-metal that is found in liquid state. So what is that metal? Can you tell me?
Bromine.
What?
Bromine.
Bromine. Good. What's your name? Who is answering?
Tanvi.
Tanvi. Okay, Tanvi. And what about other student? Why they are not responding? Again, no response. Color covered now. Okay, color is done. Metals are found in generally yellow and silver, or you can say gray color. But non-metals are found in different color, varying color.